This video will demonstrate how to activate the cleaning mode on the A-dec S76 surgical light. Let's get started. To activate the cleaning mode on the A-dec S76 surgical light, tap and hold on of the mode icons until the cleaning timer appears. This will lock the screen and proximity sensor for 30 seconds so both the screen and light face can be cleaned without unintended activation. When the cleaning timer ends, there will be an audible indicator of 3 beeps and the screen will return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.